Understanding different perspectives of Six Sigma. In general, there are 4 perspectives of Six Sigma. These are: 1. The use of teams. 2. Training in statistical thinking at all levels. 3. Emphasis on the DMAIC approach to problem solving. 4. A management environment. We shall discuss these perspectives in detail. The use of teams. The use of teams that are assigned well-defined projects. These teams, a direct impact on the organization's bottom line. Two. Training on statistical thinking at all levels. Training in statistical thinking at all levels, and providing key people with extensive training in advanced statistics and project management. These key people are designated black belts. The Six Sigma team is created consisting of black belts, green belts, and yellow belts and other team members. 3. Emphasis on the DMAIC approach to problem solving. This is about classifying and following a structure of define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. 4. A management environment. Six Sigma is more about a management environment that supports the initiatives as a business strategy. The strategic approach brings in the desired results for the organization. In summary, different perspectives of Six Sigma explore the multifaceted approach of Six Sigma, which started just as a methodology for process improvement and quality management. Perspectives of Six Sigma include its origins, key principles, methodologies, like DMAIC and DMADV, and its application in different industries. This also highlights how Six Sigma is viewed from different angles, such as a problem-solving tool, a management philosophy, and a strategic business initiative. So you may note that this not only emphasizes its versatility and approach, but also shares a great relevance in today's competitive business landscape.
End of the session. To make the learning even more engaging, our research team has prepared a short quiz for you to test your understanding. You can find the link to the quiz in the description below. Take a few minutes to complete it and feel free to share it with your colleagues, friends and online mates. Before you go, don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Don't miss out on the latest insights. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.